Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm speaking a little lower because the little one is sleeping, which is great because we get to try and lighten our hair. I've been wanting to do this for a little bit because well, you can't see it right now, but those of you who've been watching my channel, I have some serious grays going on. And I'm fine with aging. That's great. But until it looks like really nice where it's like a lot of gray or something, but it also can make me look a little older. And that's not what I'm looking to do at this time. Maybe I'll embrace my grays later. Yeah, but right now I wanted to dye my hair like a lighter brown, and because it's more of a darker brown, lighter browns really don't show up that well on my hair. So we are trying Good Dye Young Hair Lightening Kit. It retails for $16. And basically, it is the hair lightening kit is the perfect way to get your hair prepped to take on some bold color. I'm not dyeing my hair blue or pink. I'm sorry, not today. Maybe another day. The new and improved lightening formula gently, easily, and safely lifts hair color 2 to 3 levels. Crazy. The formula contains coconut oil. We know how my hair does with coconut oil. It's not that great, but to condition, and soy protein to protect and strengthen the hair as it lightens. Once rinsed and dried, your hair is the perfect canvas to express your color dreams. Our new formula is cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. So I'm really excited. So basically, the direction says pour contents of the GDY powder lightener into a non-metallic bowl. Add entire bottle of the GDY creme developer mixed together to a smooth, creamy consistency. Apply to hair and let process for no more than 30 minutes until desired tone is achieved. Shampoo with their wash and rinse thoroughly. Once dry, your hair is ready for the GDY semi-permanent color of your choice. I haven't purchased the color that I want to use yet. I was thinking, hey, do you guys have any ideas that you think I was going with a lighter brown, but you think that'd be cool? You can comment below. I'm open to ideas. Am I being too safe, which is going a lighter brown? So let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right. I blow dried my hair just a little bit because I find I used to dye my hair all the time, that I prefer dyeing my hair when it's a bit straighter and not when it's in its full curly context, because my curls I can't really get, they tend to be clumped up a little bit more, and it's easier to do it when it's just a little bit straighter. This is from me braiding it though, so I had it braided last night. All right, let's do it. I'm so excited. I have my bowl. Funny thing is I'm using my little girl's hair comb because, well, she can't use this anymore because this gets caught in her curls. So, someone used the bottom part. Now, guys, this did not come with any form of a bowl or mixer or gloves. So I had to order gloves and all that stuff on my own. I'm opening it up. Okay. There we go. I'm not going to tell you how this smells because I'm not getting close enough to smell it. I'm not going to do that. Let me shake this just in case. Okay. Now let's pour it in. Oh, wow. Okay. This is so exciting. If this doesn't turn out well, oh well. We'll try something different. Hey guys, look. Ooh. Don't do it too hard or it'll spill out. Excuse me. Okay. Just making sure you can smell it. You definitely can smell it. Hopefully, little girl doesn't wake up while I'm doing this. All right. Let's set that in there. What I do anytime I curl my hair, not curl my hair, dye my hair, is I put Vaseline around my ears, like thick Vaseline, like around my ears, around all here, so that it doesn't dye my skin, and it doesn't irritate my skin. And I do it all in the back. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay, I'm about to put the gloves on. I just got some regular plastic gloves. Now, they say to test the strand before you do this. I never do that. Follow directions, guys. So, all right, let's go for it. Taking this. I'm nervous. Okay, guys, I used the entire amount. I probably needed 2. I didn't think I would need 2, but my hair is thick and, well, it's curly. And so, yeah, I guess I probably needed 2 to really saturate it the way that I want to saturate it. And so, yeah, we will wait the 30 minutes and see what happens. Yeah, see what happens. Be back. All right, guys, I thought I'd show you before I got in the shower what happened. Yeah, I needed more than 1, because obviously the parts that I saturated, and I know about saturating, it got really light. I haven't seen the back yet, guys, so I'm just showing you. And it's spotty everywhere else because it wasn't saturated. So let's rinse this out and see what it looks like. All right, guys, I'm back. And this is what it looks like. This is how it all was supposed to look, obviously. But only parts of it, I got that because I wasn't able to saturate it. I think the back got more light than everything as well. So if you have enough, it will lighten it really well. If you don't, here you go. So my stuff looks patchy. So I'm either going to get another one to kind of make it all the same color before I dye it, or tell me what you guys think. Ah, yeah, I didn't get really well in here, so it wasn't saturated enough. I'm gonna do an Olaplex treatment tonight because that's what I do. Now I do after dyeing my hair. That's always good to do an Olaplex treatment. I will say this: the size is 1.34 ounces. So even though my hair isn't long, because I have thick hair, I needed at least two. And so lesson learned, huh? But yeah, when I got in the shower and rinsed it out first, my hair wasn't matted. It wasn't hard. It went out soft. It was just fine. It wasn't, you wouldn't think that I was bleaching my hair or what have you, or lightening my hair, because normally you guys know the toll that takes on your hair. So yeah, it actually didn't feel damaging at all. It was very smooth going out, and I washed it out and I conditioned because yeah, they say not to condition because their semi-permanent dye will be the conditioner. But I'm not using their semi-permanent dye at this moment. I will probably have to buy another one of these to make my hair all the same color, so that when I dye it the color I want to dye it, which you guys can leave in comments below what you recommend, it won't turn out patchy and weird. So yeah, but if you get enough, guys, this thing lightens and doesn't seem really damaging at all. So I hope that helps you guys out to figure out if it's something you want to try or not. Even if you do have shorter hair or think you have shorter hair like me, get two just to be safe, just in case. That's what I should have done. So yeah, I hope that helps you guys out again. I will see you guys next time. And my next few videos probably will be looking like this. So don't judge me, because you know. All right. You guys have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye. Yeah. Did I mess up? Yes.